Hi, today I have received my single stage snow thrower from the Canadian Tire. I would like to see what the product looks like and how to assemble properly. Let's get started. I'm gonna unpack the box. This is the product I just opened from the box. Looks nice, solid. Here you can see the string that provides the auger tension that we will join little later after the handlebar assembly. Now check out the handlebar and try assembling here. So there is you can see clearly in the picture that there is a little bumpy that goes into one of the hole of each side. It just snaps and just make it a little tight. Here are the two handy nut and bolts that would go with the handlebar tightened. Take a look. Do not forget to put the washer, it's very important to assemble. Now each bolt goes in either side. I am tightening the bolt on the other side of the handle. Yeah, the handlebar is assembled as properly. Now the next thing you would like to do is there is a auger full tension spring is over here that would go with the string coming out of the engineer auger, and then you assemble. I would like to go, it depends on your situation, how tight, how loose you wanna put this string that will provide the tension to the auger. So for now I would like to go with the middle, number 3. So another end would go into the handlebar. Now let's try to assemble chute control and the chute that goes with the chute control. It nicely fits the. Now tighten all the 3 knots with the proper bits. I use 3x8. Now your chute control is properly assembled. You can move whatever angle is needed. Now remove all unnecessary strings that came from the package. Now your gasoline would go in this chamber, and only the gasoline, and the engine oil would go up here. In my packet, it came as a handy, the 4-cycle engine handy gasoline engine oil. Is a synthetic 5W30. I prefer to use a 5W30 because it is recommended in a very cold temperature, and my zone is one of the coldest place here. So if you look into the manual, it says which engine oil to use. In my case, I went with option E, that is called Vanguard Synthetic 15W50 synthetic. Now it's time to put the engine oil. Now put unleaded gasoline oil. Two keys here. One is in the this is little holder that you can see, that goes into the engine start position. You have to turn it on before starting engine, and this is a choke. You need to turn into the on position, as well as there's a primer push button that you can hit couple of times if it is too cold. That will be helpful for the engine to start. And your pulley string is over here, so I'm gonna do the test. Let's see how this gonna work.